So we just started driving and came across this little opening. So we turned around and I just wanted to go in there really fast. So let's check it out. Okay. I got my headlamp. Can we turn on the flash? Well, that goes pretty far back there. Got some beer cans in there. Alright, nothing much in this. Oh shit. There's another spot here. Oh, pretty cold back there. Another opening up there. I can't get up there. That is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Ugh. Don't want to dirty up my shoes. Oh, it goes pretty far back. Yeah, I'm not going back there. Alright. That is pretty cool. If I was more experienced, I would definitely do it, but I have no experience doing that kind of stuff. Alright. Look both ways, hop in the truck, continue the adventure. Yeah, buddy. Guys, make open this. I'm like, feel that thing.
Okay.
Boom! Oh! Nah. Well, we officially made it to the White Sand National Park. It is bright. Yeah. Should be wearing glasses at all times. It is killer out here. But this is something that you should definitely take a look at. This goes on for miles of sand, and it looks like snow. Like if you're on top of a snow peak, this is white everywhere. So this is one of our stops for today, and we don't know exactly where we're going, but this was a nice little stop. Jasmine, what do you think?
Oh,
It's
like
amazing.
it's snow, but
It is beautiful. It's like 90 degrees. We just made it to Arizona after a long day. We're gonna keep our little windows open. We're gonna have the fans going, and I don't know. It's gonna be a horrible night. But it's like 10:30, and we've been driving. Well, actually, that backpacking trip that we had. took a lot out of us because it was so hot up there, dry. It's just different than what we're used to. And then we wanted to go play in the sand, which, you know, is fun, but it has its price. So hot. And thank goodness that Jasmine is being such a good team sport. She's been taking care of me. I don't know how she's putting up with me. When we tried driving for like the last 2 hours, we were looking for a place to stay, and each spot that we went to go stop at, rest area, closed. And I'm getting more frustrated because I'm tired. We stayed up till like 2:30 taking pictures, and then got up at 4 o'clock for sunrise, and then started hiking about 7. So, I mean, it's been a battle, but Jasmine,
Good night, guys.
good night. We're gonna try to sleep, and we only have about a 2-hour drive tomorrow, so that's good. But good night, everyone. Good night, Jasmine. So we just got back from the bathrooms, and not impressed at all. What is impressive is that their water is like only has one temperature. That's hot. It is so hot. And it also, there's a sign that says, actually, look at this. Yep, don't drink it. Alright, well, good night. We're gonna try to make this work. Night, y'all.
Night.